Y'all, it is 8 o'clock at night. My video quality is crap. I have no lighting. Let me try something crafty with my light. Ooh, it's spooky. There we go. Ah, okay, I'm gonna continue with the video. Just promise not to judge me on the lighting and the little waves back here. You see that? That bugs the crap out of me when people's videos has that. Okay, so the 20.4.1 update added one thing in the US market, and it's literally the ability to view additional vehicle information. So let's take a look at it right now. I promise this video is going to be super short and sweet, so if you like that, like the video and subscribe. So if we go into release notes, we can see what changed. It's literally this right here, additional vehicle information. So it says view additional vehicle information regarding the configuration of your vehicle by tapping control software additional vehicle information. So all you gotta do, hit this right here. Voila, there is your car, additional vehicle information. And this just gives all the information about your vehicle that you would like to know, or if you're buying a vehicle, it's super easy to figure it out. So I have the premium interior, so I have the premium audio system as verified there. I have HomeLink, which I love. You can also verify that you have HomeLink by just seeing it right up there, that little home button. I have permanent magnet motors, which all Tesla Model 3s have. If you have an older Model S or X, you may not have permanent magnet motors. Permanent magnet motors allow you to use cool features like cold mode. I believe non-permanent magnet motors with Teslas don't allow you to use this feature. Or if you can use it, and correct me if you own one of those, but you can't completely go to a dead stop. Okay. And last but least is my autopilot computer is 2.5, so I'm waiting on the update to that. But here you can confirm what autopilot computer you have. This will make it super simple, especially with all the different variations of Teslas out there, especially the older Model S and X's. It's definitely probably kind of hard to figure that out if you're a novice. And here, I would have never known that I had the 2.5 prior to the update where you could see the traffic cones. But this is just another way to confirm that my car is trash and I need to get the update. Okay guys, that is literally it. That's the only update. Yes, we've been hungry for an update since the holiday update. It is cool though, the additional vehicle information, super helpful in a lot of situations. So, can't complain. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Bye!